On today's video, we're making smoked beer cheese bacon burgers. So in honor of National Beer Lovers Day, we thought, hey man, let's make some burgers with some beer cheese and bacon. You can't leave out, you can't not have the bacon. And I've never made this recipe before, but it's gonna be.
What was that?
So for the record, I've never made beer cheese before, but I have made cheese, and I'm getting pretty good at it. But I thought, why don't we just do a beer cheese? Wes loves beer, I love beer. Wes loves bacon, I love bacon. So without further ado, let's get to cooking. All right, so we're gonna be seasoning these burgers with a little bit of prime steak and sizzling burger. If you don't have that, use what you got. Then we're gonna put them on the Traeger, timberline, and smoke them up. Man, I think we could probably do double cheeseburgers out of these, Wes. Double it up. All right, now after we got them seasoned up, let's get them on the Traeger. Now I got this Traeger running at 425. We ain't screwing around. Listen to that beautiful sear. Come on now. Now we tuck them in. All right, so for this burger, we're gonna do some sauteed onions and some jalapenos, and you know you gotta bring that bacon that's just right. Let's get this down on the flat top. We're cooking it all. That grease, boy. It pulls the life right out of one of these suckers. That's okay. This is how I like my bacon, right here. Now, we'll saute in the bacon fat. Don't be scared of it. Now I'm gonna season up my onions and my jalapeno with a little SPG. Like I said, you use what you got. Absolutely love onions and jalapenos. A little bit of bacon, you can't go wrong with this at all. Now I'm not one of those guys, I do like bacon crispy, but for my burgers, I like just a little bit of chew. Don't shoot me, that's just the way I was made. These are good. These look good, they smell good. You better stay your ass out of that bacon. Jalapenos and onions are done. All right, now, Wes don't want cheese, correct?
No.
All right, I'm putting cheese on mine, bro. We'll let them get melted and then pull them off and start on our beer cheese sauce. And now, we make the beer cheese. 1/4 cup of butter. Well, the recipe's down in the description. Get that thing melted down. Add your flour. Time to make the roux. This is always the part right here that weirds me out. It gets all doughy. One little milk. But it works. More importantly, tastes really good. Now, I'm gonna let my milk heat up, get this nice and creamy, then we'll start adding the cheese and all the seasonings. I'm gonna put some Grey Poupon and some Worcestershire in here in just 2 seconds. And you can't forget the beer. We're gonna use Coors Light.
Yes.
Dash of Worcestershire, a little bit of Grey Poupon.
What? Oh.
This guy forgot to take this seal
Oh,
off.
God.
Bullshit. Keep stirring and thinning. Now, some cheese. This is where the goodness comes together. This is gonna be a lot of cheese sauce. Thin that down some more. They didn't teach this in Votech, that's for sure. Ooh, a little bit more of that. This is one I want. The Gruyere, however you pronounce it. How you say it, Wes? Gruyere. A little bit more beer. Now, let's season her up. I'm going with a little bit of Dirty Bird hot.
Oh my God.
A little bit of Dirty Bird. Is it Dirty Bird? Dirty Bird hot. Dirty Bird hot. That's what I'm talking about. A little bit of SPG. You use what you got though. Oh man, this looks phenomenal. Who said a redneck can't cook? We'll have the recipe with all the deets down in the description. Or you can just head over to Kosmos Q and pull it straight off there. Print it off. We got toast and buns. All right, we got our buns toasted. Time to start building. We got flies over here, they're getting hungry. Oh, dude, this is gonna be stupid. I hope you're hungry, Wes.
Very hungry.
Woo! Son. Look at that. All for the gram, baby. All for the gram. Look at that. There's another little cheesy dupe. Bloop, right off the side. That's what I'm talking about. Burgers are down. Now, we baconate them. I may go with more than one piece. I may go with 2 pieces of bacon. Now, you can't forget this. This is an absolute must. For any true beer lover, this is a prerequisite. Get off there. Man, I hate doing this with the flies. I hate it. Now, you ready for the final? You ready for the final? Here it is.
Cheese time.
It's cheese time, baby. Man, I should just go. Ooh. Now, without further ado, I'm gonna try to cut this and hold it together, but man, I'm nervous. I ain't gonna lie, but here we go. This is where the B-roll comes in, right? Like the Iron Chef. All right, my heart's beating. Here we go. That was like a professional, dude. Oh my goodness. Man, I haven't ate nothing all day. This is my first bite of the day. So, without further ado, happy National Beer Lovers Day.
You need some privacy. You need some...
No. These are phenomenal. You can taste the beef, the smoked burgers start at the bottom, and then the onions and the jalapeno and the bacon, but that beer cheese on top with that smoked Gouda on this one, phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. So hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. Don't forget, you can head over to kosmosq.com, print this recipe off, cook it at your own house, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.